Hello and welcome to video for customizing simple column chart. We have this sales data for movies from different category across various months of 2019. In this video, we will be creating a chart for showing total sales across various months of 2019 for movies from all the categories together in that particular month. In this chart also, we will be making lot of changes to default chart created by Excel so that the chart looks like shown here on the screen. So let us quickly have a look at the steps to be performed in Excel to create this chart. So now here the months of this year 2019 have a natural order starting from January to December. And most of us are familiar with that and also use it. Hence, we will not be changing the order in descending order of sales just like we did it in previous video for category sales in descending order. It is best practice to sort the data in descending or ascending order if there is no natural order present in your dataset. If there is a natural order present in your dataset, then we should stick to it, just like in this case where we will be presenting our month sales data. If we change this order, then it will create a confusion for readers. So let us get started and let us create our column chart for months sales. So let us select this and starting from this month, we can select this and then the final row. So in between sales data, we will not be selecting it. So let us go to insert, then let us select column chart. So let me move this at the bottom. So let me increase this, the width as well as the height of this chart. And now we will be making our required changes. So let us first delete this horizontal lines. Let us select y-axis, Control 1. Then let us change the display unit to 1000. Once those are changed, we don't require this. So let us delete this. Then let us select x-axis. Let us go to this. We don't want any line. Let us right click, add measure lines. Let us format these measure lines by selecting them. We change colors. This will be in dash. So I am able to format it. Let me delete this chart title. Let us decrease this height of the chart area. Now we will be changing the space between these columns. So let us select these columns, go to this column settings and then decrease the gap between these columns. So it's decreased. So let us now change the color for all of them. Fill. This will be in gray color. So that's it. Now let us select only the December month since it is the highest one. So let us fill this with a little different color. Outline also we can change it. Now we will be adding our data labels. Okay, so since only a single column is selected, I am unselecting them. And now I am adding the data label. So all the data labels gets added. We'll be using inside base. We'll select all the labels, change the font color to white so it looks proper. And now we'll be adding our chart title. Now since we have added the chart title in the previous chart using text box, I will be selecting the same thing and pasting it over here. And now instead of category, we'll make it months. Across months, highest sales was recorded in December 2009 month. Rest of the chart title looks fine to me and this has been displayed in amounts in 1000 only. So this way you can create this chart by formatting or making the changes in default chart created by Excel so that it looks proper. So that is it, like guys, from my side. See you guys in next video.